Oh, ouch. Oh, that's some hot stuff. Oh. Oh, lucky. It's right here. Go in through here.
Right, I'm starting. Yeah.
In through here. Here, I'll hold your end so it doesn't get lost. And then up through this one. Wait, yeah, straight. Oh, okay, there, not yet. Okay, up through that one. And then back in. And then out through these. This hole. Nope, nope, this one. And then back in. Does that look good to you?
What?
Does that look good to you? Maybe a little skinnier.
Will that be able to fit one of the huge fish we've seen?
I think so. I think they can get in this. Barely. Alright, now the fish are supposed to be able to swim into this tunnel. And then they get confused. Because the hole to get out is like right there, but they're trying to go all around it. They can't get out. Well, they can get out this end. Until I close it, of course. Ah! I hope that's good. Alright. Tie that to the dock. I hear coconut works in fish trap. I don't know. Oh, look, it's working. Not working as a trap yet. You'll sink in a minute. I did drill holes in the PVC pipes.
Good thinking.
Alright, tomorrow we'll see how it goes.
Yay!
Hey, guess we get to check this morning. What did we make yesterday?
A fish trap.
Oh, we got one tiny little fish. Oh, that's hilarious. Look at this little guy. Alright, we're gonna throw him back in there. I'm gonna leave this just right down here for a bit. I know a lot of fish hang out under this boat and under the dock. Well, there's a decent sized one. And then later, I'll take it in the boat out into some deeper water. Looks like it works though. It's a few hours later. Let's just check the trap. Oh, there's a bigger fish in now. Nice. Man, that's right off the dock. Oh, this is an excellent trap. It's about an hour later. I just checked the trap again. And now there are 2 matching fish. Yeah, but a little bigger than my hand, each one. Kind of on the small end of what I'd eat. I would eat them.